So these are our floor spreaders. This is commonly known as a whale tail. The points here can sometimes leave a little bit of a mark on your floor, so you do have to takes a little bit more skill when you're laying out a floor level. Often this one's an easier one to use because it's got rounded ends, flexible blade, available in a 600mm or the 300, and also in a 125mm wide or the 100mm. Very easy to use and certainly recommended when you're doing floor leveling. Put into a timber handle, just walk around, smooth that pipe out. We have the magic trowel. These are an excellent tool for putting down a thin micron of epoxy flooring. They have a protective sheath over it and very, very flexible. They come in 600mm, a 450mm and also the 300mm. And the popular no-notch squeegee for pushing around any liquids. Putting a timber handle into that makes life a whole lot easier just for cleaning a floor, pushing dust around so that you're not using a broom. You can use it for many applications. That's a 900mm no-notch squeegee.